me while I'm sleeping. I keep dreaming to death and I'm hearing people screaming. The devil's spirit trapped inside me and I want it out. I'm on a couch, bleeding to death in a haunted house with both of my wrists slit. I'm lifted up in the air and suspended in animation like someone's holding me there. I feel somebody's cold hands wrapping around my neck while I choke on my own blood that I swallow and drown to death. But I found a breath that somehow managed to slip the clutches, nearly blacking out from dizziness and head rushes. Tripping over OD bodies of dead lushes. Bloodstains paint the plush carpet like red slushes. Doors open and close by themselves. Books fly off shelves. Curtains catch fire, the house melts. My skin blisters and sticks together like twin sisters. The wind blows and shatters windows like 10 twisters. Quarter piece of shrapnel in the Adam's apple. 2 cups of holy water and I'm looking at them half full. But as soon as I go to touch them, they turn into red rum. It got silent, then all these voices said,
"Go, follow me into the gates of hell."
I heard him yell.
"Welcome to the North Basement Jail."
I rang the bell for service and I was greeted by his mother, covered in dry blood, head still thinning from the shovel. I said I need a room so I could try to get some rest. She gave me the keys to the best suite and a bag of sets and told me that this was starters. Satan will be in to see me later to see if I'm interested in being part